sister friends, we're gonna see how this is gonna work. I got a new camera thing called, I guess you pronounce it gimbal, and it turns around and follows you. So we're gonna see how that works, because really what I want you to see is in here. This is the new, I think, I haven't even opened the box, but what I have ordered is the new Dixie Belle transfers and decoupage rice papers, and I wanted to share it with you because I'm so excited. They package everything so good. Or we say that before we open the box, right? I've never got one that wasn't packaged good, but I've never got one that had transfers. Oh, wow. Very nice. I've got the door open because it's such a beautiful day here, so you might hear Maybelline out there barking. Wow, I love the packaging. Purple, my favorite color for the end caps. This is the Cacti and Succulents transfer. Let's see what we see when we get inside. This says 6 sheets, so that's one of the bigger ones. Oh, wow. They definitely have some, I was gonna say sturd, some sturd to them. They are sturdy. So here's the stick that you rub it in with. And these, you can use them on furniture, of course, but you can also use them on, oh wow, this is a great size sheet, because this will be easy to handle whenever you're putting it on a piece. And you can cut all of these out individually and kind of stack them up over each other and around each other. And I really like how they're designed like that, so that it makes it easy. All the time I'm looking for ways to cut the leaves out of them and move it here and there. They have the leaves on here separately. That's pretty dang cool. So there's one page. These are gorgeous. These are way prettier in person than I anticipated. Oh, look at these cute little cacti. Those are cute. This one will be mine. It's not a duplicate, but there's more cactus and more flowers. Oh wow, this would be really cute on a jewelry box or on a drawer side. Oh wow, this is really pretty too. So that's how they look on the inside. This one is a 6-sheeter, as I said, and instructions, of course. These are very nice. They have a little bit of a smell to them. It's not so strong that I feel like I need to say, hey, work in a well-ventilated area, but probably wouldn't hurt anything. That's, you know, kind of normal. So this one's been open. I'm going to keep that one aside for myself. This is a lot. Okay, this is Boho Soul. This camera thing, y'all. Woohoo! Oh, it didn't move that time. Now it moves. I didn't even have my camera on it yet, but I had it over here on the tripod, and I went over to put the light so I could make sure this stuff would be lit up. And I turned around just to see, it's pink, the thing that I have, this pink thing follow me around. It was kind of creepy. This says for furniture and home decor. I'm gonna go ahead and open another one because this one says it's 4 sheets. I don't want to see what a 4-sheet one looks like. Of course, there's your stick. And I put one of these things in. Do not eat. Do not eat. Oh, that's nice. And I love it when some of them are in black and white like this, because you can like thin down your paint and sort of watercolor paint over them if you want. Or it just looks very nice to be just showing up as the black and white. It's really pretty. So this feels like, and I didn't look, this sheet's a little bit bigger than the last one was. Those are not identical, but it gives you plenty. I'm not even a feather person, I'm telling you. Now you're gonna see me feather this, feather that, because these are so pretty. The colors are just outstanding. Wow, look at that, man. You could see, can't you see like these corner pieces, at either the corner pieces of like a jewelry box? Maybe I'll put these on a jewelry box, like the floor size, the big one, or like on just a canvas or a frame. That's gorgeous. So that's the 4-sheet size, and it just comes in 2 sizes. So the other designs, The other designs will be these same sizes. Let's make sure and put the do not eat thing back in there. Let's see what else we got. Steampunk. You know I love that too. I've been wanting to do some steampunk stuff on a steam trunk. Is it called steam trunk, steamer trunk, old trunk, a trunk, some trunks? This is 6 sheets, design size 38 inches by 24 inches. I guess that's total. And look here, it shows like all the different designs on back. I have like pictures of all the designs posted if you want to look at that. Nautical Life, that has anchors and ships and, okay, I gotta open it. That looks like some kind of golden coin. And a lighthouse. We gotta look at this one, y'all. Let's do it. Let's do it. This feels pretty thick. And if you've not used a transfer before, what you do is just pull, decide what you want, cut it out, and then just like a Cracker Jack tattoo, you stick it on there, still attached to this paper, but take it off of this paper once you have it cut out. Figure out exactly where you want it, put it on there, then you just use that little stick to rub it in, and boom, it stays. It's amazing how that works. You top coat over it with like a satin top coat. Oh, this is pretty, and I love the different colors of the little compass. Is that a word? Compasses. There's a ship with what looks like some tentacles of a giant octopus. There's probably a story that goes with that I'm not aware of. This is the one I wanted to see. Oh, wow. I love parts of it and not parts of it. Still pretty cool. I may put it on the inside of a, this would be good on a trunk too. And hold it up there closer. See, it's got like 2 maidens, but there's like skulls under there and a ship in the distance. Hello, back over here thing. There's nothing else on the market like these. That's why I'm so excited about it. Dixie Belle's so good to us as retailers and as furniture artists. Are coming out with designs of things that, you know, are so different than what's already out there. This is another really pretty one. I haven't decided exactly what I was going to use it on yet, because you know I think I got to use them all too. That's a very pretty pattern. I hate that it looks so dark. I've got the light right there. I think the phone like makes up for the difference for the light, because I did have the light here and I moved it there just so you could see better. But this is a really nice pattern. It's on a clear release sheet. It says it works on many different surfaces, including furniture, wood, glass, mirrors, and more. I've got a couple of really nice windows that I might put something on. But this, I can't decide what to do it on. If you have an idea of what this would look good done on, share it with me, please. Let's see what else we've got. Oh, I love this one too. I love them all. This one's called Lace, and this is a 4-sheeter. This is sort of a gray silver color. I'm just gonna open it like this just so you can see. But that would be so beautiful and romantic on a feminine piece or something. You could sand around the edges of it if you wanted that to be like shabby chic. Oh yes, sunflowers, of course, for all the sunflower fanatics out there. I'm not sure what I think about this gimbo. The owl is in big letters. Anyways, I have to get used to that. It'll be great for when I'm painting a piece. I don't know about right now. But anyways, sunflowers. And this is a 4-sheeter. 4 different sheets of sunflowers on there. And sunflower people are addicts. I'm telling you, my best friend's a sunflower person. My cousin's a sunflower person. Them girls love them some sunflowers. Let's see, there's more cacti. Oh yeah, this is a cool one, y'all. Alice in Wonderland. There's a lot of, I don't know what to do. There's a lot of people who are fascinated by Alice in Wonderland. Over here. Here we go. I guess I need to go in there and clean next time I'm going to do this. Anyway, This one's Alice in Wonderland, and it's in, you know, kind of pastel colors. It's gorgeous. Tracy from Tracy's Fancy did some really fancy stuff with this. That's cool looking. Would be beautiful for a young girl's room or just vintage style room. Hey, I got enough of these for Treasure City, for in DeRidder, Louisiana, and also to go in Gypsy Blue in Oakdale, Louisiana, and also for my Etsy store. These are magnolias, and this is the Louisiana state flower. And I'm afraid to even put it up there because this gimbal thing goes crazy. I think we should look at it. This is, can do very traditional pieces. It's just gorgeous. I wish you could see it. Oh, these are pretty good size sheets. I would love to have a tray with this done on it. I'm a tray person. I love to haul stuff from here to my room or the living room or the man cave or whatever using a tray. Oh, look, it's got cotton and magnolia. This is definitely like the heart of the South. These trees are everywhere. They're growing in my yard. They're so beautiful. Say if you wanted the biggest piece on say the center of a table, then there's enough in here for you to do a tray. There's enough in here for you to put one on, you know, the vase and the lamp base and everything else that goes with it. This is gonna be the papers. I'm so excited. Decoupage is so in right now. If you've done it the first time, like with a napkin or something like that, which I've done, you've probably seen me on videos do, it's gonna wrinkle, it's gonna drive you crazy. It's a cheap way to do it, and we can all do that, but it's a pain in the patootie, and you don't do it as often. Where if you have a high quality paper, oh wow. It doesn't do all that. It lays on there flat, sticks on there when you stick it on there, and it stays. But you use it in the same way. You put whatever your decoupage medium is, whether it's Mod Podge or whether it's like Dixie Belle satin top coat, either of those will do, and you just put it all on the surface. Then you have these cut out, or the whole thing, however you want to do it. Stick it on there, and then you put another coat back over it, and boom, done. But this is, I wish you could see this. This is like a handmade paper. It's a rice paper, but it's almost fiberglass looking. That's really nice paper. Can you see? The colors on this are just gorgeous. And there are, I think there's 3 sheets inside each one too. So you're not just getting 1 sheet, you're getting 3, so you have enough to do a whole project. This one is very nice too. And longer. See the difference in the size? So when they're, you know, if I put them on, when I put them online, I'll list the sizes. And this one is 11.75 by 16.5 versus this one, which is 11.81 by 12.6. Oh, I love this. I'm just in love with this. I don't even know what I'm gonna put it on yet, but it looks like old-fashioned wood planks with old wallpaper and stamps and stuff peeling off of it. That's gorgeous. And this is another one of the longer ones, but like I said, I got enough for everywhere that I sell. I love this too. Man, I just love them all. Hello. This is nice because you can, you know what these would also look cute on? You know the little square things that go in the corner of like windows or doors and things like that? That's about the size of that, but this one's called Colorful Tiles. Imagine that. Oh, I'm excited about this one too. Birds. Very colorful birds on here. Let's see if I had it sideways. There you go. This one is nice. It's just called Blue and Yellow Floral. Has some of the black and white florals and then just sort of a muted teal blue. This one's pretty too. Ornate blue glass. It's so pretty. I love this one. I love this one. Spring flowers with stems. I know I'm gonna be using this one pretty soon because I just love that. I love spring flowers. And I love the way that they look when they look like they're wildflowers with the stems on the bottom and being, you know, ending toward the top. That's so cute. This one is called Sketched Blue Flowers. It looks like, you know, the pencil pattern where people cross hatched for shading and things like that. It looks like that style of drawing. Here's a new one. Oh wow, this one's called Colorful Floral with Black and White, which is was my mama's favorite flower. That's so beautiful. This would look so pretty on the doors of like a buffet. There's some more of those. This one's called Floral on Black, and those are bearded irises. It's just so pretty. Tropical on Pink. This line by Dixie Belle is called Bells and Whistles. That's where they have all the papers and stencils and silkscreen stencils and transfers. The 4-sheet transfers, remember I told you some of them 4-sheet, some of them are 6. They're $27.99. And the 6-sheet ones are $31.99. And the packets of 3 sheets of rice paper are $12.99. That is not bad, y'all. Not bad at all. And how about that? These are reusable. I'll be using them. I'm probably gonna put these back in it for now. But anyways, thanks for joining me. I hope you're as excited about all of these as I am. I hope you join me whenever now I have to find 52 pieces of furniture to use all this on. So if you know of some really cool furniture, send me a message and show me where it's at and tell me how much it is, and hopefully it's free and delivered. Thanks, bye.